In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to play DiscoFever from the game Fortnite. Make sure you stick around to the end because I will be giving out a free backing track and the sheet music for DiscoFever. Dr. G here from drgrennersmusicacademy.com. If you like this sort of content, be sure to drop me one of these and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Right now, leave your favorite video game song down in the comments. Learning to play Fortnite's DiscoFever by ear on any instrument is really not as difficult as you may think. In this video, I'm going to get you started by giving you the key signature and the first note. DiscoFever is in the key of concert B flat major. So for those of you who play C instruments, you'll be playing in B flat major. For those of you who play B flat instruments, you'll be playing in C major. For those of you playing E flat instruments, you'll be playing G major. And those of you who are playing F instruments will be playing in F major. The melody for DiscoFever only uses 5 notes. All 5 of the notes make up what we call the concert B flat major pentatonic scale. Memorize the B flat concert major pentatonic scale for your instrument. And if you take a look at the pentatonic scale here, you'll notice if you know your major scales, you just remove the 4th note of the major scale and the 7th note of the major scale, and what you will have is a major pentatonic scale. The melody to DiscoFever uses only these 5 notes. So for C instruments, you'll be playing the B flat major pentatonic scale. For B flat instruments, you'll be playing this C major pentatonic scale. For E flat instruments, you'll be playing G major pentatonic scale. And for F instruments, you'll be playing F major pentatonic scale. The melody begins on the 5th of the major pentatonic scale. Figure out the rest by using your ear. When figuring out the melody, it helps to listen to different recordings of the song. If you're having trouble, try singing the melody to yourself. If you can sing the melody, you can play the melody. When you have learned the melody, practice the melody over and over until it's memorized. And once you're comfortable playing the melody, you'll be ready to play it over a backing track. As promised, head on down to the description and you'll have information on how you can retrieve your free practice track and sheet music. And if you like this sort of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.